Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade QuickBooks Online with Intuit, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade QuickBooks Online with Intuit, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the left menu, choose the Billing and Subscription tab. Here, you will find your current subscription details. To explore upgrade options, look for the Upgrade button. Click on the Upgrade button to view the available plans. Review the features and pricing of each plan to find the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected a plan, click on the Select button next to your desired option. Follow the prompts to enter any required billing information. Review your order summary to confirm the changes. If everything looks correct, click the Upgrade button to finalize the upgrade process. You will receive a confirmation email once the upgrade is complete. Return to your QuickBooks Online dashboard to ensure the upgrade has been applied. Check the features associated with your new plan to familiarize yourself with any updates or changes. If you encounter any issues during this process, you can reach out to QuickBooks support for assistance. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded QuickBooks Online with Intuit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.